Canon's EOS R6 Mark II is one of the most significant cameras in the EOS mirrorless lineup. In the next few moments, I'll let you know why this is one of the industry's most solid mid-range cameras and an ideal step up from digital SLRs and from less expensive Canon EOS mirrorless models. The camera's solid, reliable design is one key reason. A great viewfinder, large grip, and battery performance are the first places to look. And an accessory battery grip lets you double your battery capacity. Autofocus is one of the industry's best in this price range. Superb subject detection, eye detection AF, and tracking abilities are a huge reason to consider stepping up to the R6 Mark II. Add to that its pure performance, up to 12 frames per second with mechanical shutter, and up to a class-leading 40 frames a second with electronic shutter operation. All told, this weather-sealed camera is a star in the Canon line and a perfect match for many potential users.